Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com, and in this video we're going to be going over different types of wood that you could use for sound deadening. But first, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of downforsoundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, let's get into this video. So there's been some people, when we talked about sound deadening in the other video, ask about people are putting wood on their roofs and in their door panels and stuff like that. So this is something that not a lot of people do. Really just people that are doing really extreme builds do this and could, I would say, benefit from it, because if you're not on another level of loud, you're probably not going to benefit a ton from putting wood on your panels. It's a lot of work, and it's, I would say, messy as well. So we have a piece of MDF here. Some people use MDF and other people use birch wood usually. Here we have, so this is the MDF here, and right here we have a piece of a pallet. I mean, if you try to use some random wood like this, one, you're going to be trying to put pieces up there, and it's going to be pretty difficult. At the end of the day, you can do whatever the heck you want to, but if you go and you start trying to put a bunch of pieces up there instead of getting, say, a full sheet of MDF, like this piece of wood right here that we have as our packing station, it's a piece of standard MDF. I think it's 4x8 sheet. You could get a piece of cardboard and go up to your roof where you're going to put that section up there. You could trace it out on the thing, cut it out, and then the way that, well, some people just screw the wood to the roof, through the roof. Yeah, through the roof. I've been to a bunch of car audio shows and seen people with screws going out the top of the roof. I'm like, man, that's some hardcore stuff right there. But there is other ways of attaching wood to the roof, and there's supports up there where you can do really short screws and not go all the way through your roof, because obviously if you go all the way through your roof, you're going to be having water leakage issues. But there's also some type of glue that people will, it comes in like a caulk gun, and you can like put it all on top of the piece right here, or obviously if you had a huge piece, you would put it all on top of there, and people get jacks and push that up to their roof and leave the jacks in there like overnight, and it bonds to the roof of their vehicle. And you could do the same thing with your panels. If you want to do door panels or your rear hatch or whatever it might be, you could do it that way. You just want to give it a ton of time to set and cure and become one with the panel that you're sticking it on, because if you don't, it's just going to fall off prematurely. So that's a couple of different types of wood that I've seen people using, is the MDF like this. That's 3/4, I think, or 5/8. And then you have Russian 13-ply Baltic birch, or different types of birch that you could use to stick on your roof or your panels. Some people use whatever they have laying around the house, because at the end of the day, most of the time, like whatever wood it might be is going to be stiffer than a piece of deadener. But some of the Vibraflex deadener is very stiff after it hardens as well, so if you start stacking that stuff up, it could probably close to be as rigid as some wood. But anyway, that's a few different types of wood that people use, and how you attach it to the roof to get you this really solid surface, so you're not having a ton of bass waves crushing your roof or your panels. It's still going to happen, but I would just say it delays it a little bit from happening so quickly. All right, as usual, if you have any questions, post them in the comments below, and if I see it, I'll try to answer it for you. Thank you for joining me in another video here on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you can check them out when they come through. Appreciate you. See you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.